Hi guys, Carlos here at the this is the Orlando Race World here in Orlando, Florida, of course, and we're at the south end of the property, and this is known as the drift surface, where the drift guys come here and burn out. And as you can see way down there, there's a whole bunch of burnout tires. And over here on the west end of the property, you have the motorcycle or motorcyclists, and they're making a lot of racket right now. And anyway, here's our fellow RCers, Rick and Jeff, Richard and Jeff here, and here's my models over here that I acquired recently from Dave. And let's go over here to the Twin, Avios Twin. They call it the King Twin 1700. I think it's the King Air from a full-size perspective. But anyway, let me show you. Right now it's active. Here's the transmitter. Everything's working right now. If I grab a hold of this and wiggle it, tap it, sometimes this thing will reset. See that? It's already been connected. It was under command with the transmitter, and just because I wiggled it a little bit, that did it. So it appears to me that the thing that I need to do is replace this adapter cable and get a stubby, the XT90 adapter stubby to Dean's instead of this, because it looks like this connector over here, the adapter cable, see that? They did it again just by manhandling it. That's very unnerving. So no fault of anybody. That's how it came with it, but I'll go ahead and correct that, and hopefully no more issues. So just wanted to give you a heads up to be careful with adapter cables. Thank you. Take care.